Nakajima Type 91, a 1930s parasol monoplane fighter. It was the mainstay of the Imperial Japanese Army Air Force, IJAAF, before the modern monoplanes arrived. Mitsubishi I MF, a 1920s carrier-based fighter designed by a British engineer for the Imperial Japanese Navy, IJN. It was the first purpose-built carrier aircraft, Mitsubishi A6M0, the legendary Zero. Famous for its incredible maneuverability and long range, it dominated the Pacific skies early in World War II. Nakajima Ki-43 Hayabusa, known as the Oscar, this was the Army's counterpart to the Zero. It was light, agile, and produced in higher numbers than any other Army fighter. Nakajima Ki-84, Hayate called Frank by the Allies. He was arguably the best Japanese fighter of World War II, balancing speed, armor, and heavy firepower. Kawanishi N-1 KJ Shiden, known as George. This was a rugged land-based fighter that could go toe-to-toe with the American F-6F Hellcat, World War II bombers, and special attack Mitsubishi G-4. nBehind, the primary long-range bomber for the Navy. It was fast but vulnerable to fire, earning it the nickname One-Shot Lighter. IHED-3A Val, the dive bomber responsible for sinking more Allied warships than any other Axis aircraft in World War II. Nakajima B-5N Kate, the premier torpedo bomber of the IJN. It was the primary weapon used during the attack on Pearl Harbor. Yokosuka MXY-7, Oka, human-guided, rocket-powered kamikaze aircraft used in the final desperate stages of the war. Early jet prototypes Mitsubishi J-8 M Shusui, a rocket-powered interceptor based on the German Me-163 Comet, designed to stop high-altitude B-29 bombers. Nakajima Kika, Japan's first turbojet-powered aircraft, visually similar to the German Me-262, though smaller and designed for attack roles. Post-war and modern-era Fuji T-1, the first mass-produced jet aircraft developed in Japan after World War II. Used primarily as a trainer, Mitsubishi T-2, a supersonic jet trainer that paved the way for Japan's modern fighter development. Mitsubishi F-1, Japan's first domestically developed supersonic combat aircraft derived from the T-2 trainer for ground attack missions. Kawasaki P-1, a modern four-engine maritime patrol aircraft designed to hunt submarines and conduct long-range surveillance. Shinmaiwa US-2, a large STOL, short takeoff and landing, amphibian aircraft used for search and rescue in rough seas. Mitsubishi F-2, a multi-role fighter based on the F-16 but with larger wings and advanced Japanese electronics, often called the Viper Zero. Mitsubishi X-2 Shinshin, an advanced experimental stealth technology demonstrator representing Japan's leap into fifth-generation fighter tech. The Kawasaki C-1 is a short-range, twin-engine military transport aircraft developed to replace the aging C-46 Commandos. It was designed specifically for the Japan air self-defense. The Kawasaki C-2 is a long-range, high-speed strategic transport aircraft. While the older C-1 was limited to short hops within Japan, the C-2 was built to fly globally, carrying much heavier loads over much longer distances.